I don't know. Maybe new footwork every day. It's too much. But no excuses, right? Cha-ching. Yeah. Focus body coding live. No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Do you feel the ecstasy? Do you feel the energy? First, watch for yourself. Let's go today. Flare number 7. Let's go. Once again. Yeah, that's the move, that's the groove, remember. No excuses, no footwork every day, check. Let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. And let's do it on the grass. What do you say? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We start Suzuki if you know. And if you don't know, follow with me. Cross with the left. Step to the side. Cross with the left. Now, step with the right. Tap with the left. Step with the left. Tap with the right. Yeah. Now, the same with the right. Let's go. We cross, we step, we cross, and now stepping with the left, tap with the right. Step with the right, tap with the left. Yeah, these are the flares. Amazing. Let's go again. We cross, we open, we cross. Yeah. Now, we step, tap, step, tap. Yeah. With the right, cross, open, cross, step, tap, yeah. One more time. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3. Notice. And 5 and 7. Yeah. Now with the right. 1, 2, 3. And 5 and 7. Make sure to keep your knees bent and not straight. No. Bend, yeah. Let's do the flare, bend, yeah. One more time with the left. Cross, open, cross, and 5 and 7. Cross, open, cross, and 5 and 7. Amazing. Amazing. You're doing great, by the way. And if you want to do even better, and you're still here. Wait, you're still here? Wait. Yes, you're still here. Let's do another practice. Yeah, another practice very fast. In front of you, imagine yourself staring in a mirror. And let's do it again. Yeah, are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Doing with the left. Let's go. We cross. We open. We cross. Step with the right. Tap. Step and tap. Yeah, now with the right. Cross, open, cross. Step, tap. A bit faster. Cross, step, cross. And tap. Cross, step, cross. And tap. Yeah, notice that we same on the same level. And tap. Same level. We don't change the levels. No. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Yeah. Now you can add the shoulders. Yeah. Doing the cross, doing the Suzuki. Are you ready? Let's go. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Yeah, this is the move. This is the step. This is the universal step. Yeah. But I tell you a secret. Are you ready? I tell you a secret. Since you stay with me till now, and I see it as a huge compliment, you spending the time with me in this amazing morning here in Bangkok. I have a bonus for you. If you want to practice with me, this move in the studio for free anytime you want. You're welcome to do that for free, forever for free. How can you do that? Check the link above, below, to the side. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move. The name is Flare number 7. Yes, Flare 7. This is the name of the move. Go to the YouTube channel, search for this move. Yeah. And practice with me. Now, just remember, when you're not sure when to do these moves, just remember, these are universal moves. Yes, exactly, universal moves. Why? Because this Marcus body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, hip hop, Rumba, Zumba, whatever style. Yeah. Am I serious? Well, I am serious. Do I look serious? Well, I maybe don't look serious, but I am. Either way, do this move today. Yes, today. What's the pressure? Because tomorrow, you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So, I guess I see you tomorrow, right? With a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.